Hello everyone, my name is AB and I head product and operations at Robotics. This is a new video series that we are starting. In this, what I'll do is I kind of let you experience some of our actual workflows and actual use cases that some of our enterprise customers are currently using. I'll run you through the orchestration process, how we are building the AI agents, how we are building some of the prompts and configuring everything. So I'll run you through our portals, the Callbotics platform as well. At the end of it, I'll also let you experience the outcome. So I'll talk to the actual AI agent that we built, and then you can experience and see for yourself what the outcome is going to be. Obviously, because we are under strict NDAs, I cannot name the clients. As a disclaimer, what we have done is I've anonymized all the client names on the prompt section and our model training section. So everything is very generic. There's not just the client's name, but also anything related to the use case is also very generic. But you still get a kind of sense of how everything is working. You'll get a understand what the implementation process is and how the AI agent kind of react to that particular project. All right, so let us just log into our portal and let's get started. So here's our console login. Let me just log into it. So this is our Callbotics console. Simple dashboards. This is all customizable dashboard. The best part is we kind of give this customizable dashboard access to our clients. So based on their reports, which is again, they can build custom reports, they can actually go ahead and rebuild the custom dashboards based on the reports. You can have multiple inbound campaigns and outbound campaigns. And then if you have like multiple campaigns, so you can kind of select all of those campaigns and kind of see reports as per the campaigns. We have everything that takes at Callbotics. We kind of do an end-to-end managed services kind of an implementation as well. There are two models that we kind of help our clients with. Most of our enterprise customers are actually in favor of we taking up the end-to-end responsibility. So in that case, we kind of understand their process. They kind of dump all the training materials. We train the entire agent and we just give them the outcome. But also we can do a self-serve model. This is a no-code platform. So if you look at it, you have all these options over here. You can configure your own LLMs. We have some of our LLMs. We're working with Google, OpenAI, Claude, Meta, all the top LLMs that you can name off. But obviously, if you have your own LLMs, you can bring your own keys and configure your own LLMs. Similar is with transcribers. We have our own, we have our custom as well. We have n number of voices, thousands of dialects and voices. We can do global. Right now, we're focused on English and US accents. So you can select your own voice from here. You can bring your own VoIP, or we can configure our own VoIPs. There can be n number of tools that you can do, like different events, different integrations. So we can configure all the integrations and tools from here. And then there is a prompt management section where you can create actual prompts, but you can also kind of create the summary prompts as well. Right, the summary prompts are basically the prompts after once everything the call is done, it kind of creates the summary of it. And then, as I was saying, there are custom reports that you can kind of build for yourself. So these are like doing configuration of the reports, but also doing kind of basic configuration on how these reports should be. We also by default provide a 100% QA module, in which you can for every campaign that you're building in, you can also build kind of a QA module in which you can define different parameters, give percentage to all the parameters. So every call that goes through the campaign, it automatically gives you the score of that particular as well. So this is a section where you can kind of build that over. At a later stage, maybe in a separate video, I can let you go through everything in very much detail so you understand how simply you can kind of do it. But at this point, I think we'll focus on this use case that we are working for our client. Now, just to give you a little bit of background about this client, they are like a third-party outsourcing company for TPAs. They work with some of the biggest TPAs in the US. Now, their use case was open enrollment. So whenever there is open enrollment, there's a lot of call flow that kind of happens. The call volume kind of increases during the open enrollment time to kind of 5x, sometimes even 10x. And obviously, this period goes on depending on different clients, but this period goes on somewhere between 2 months to sometimes 4 or 5 months. Now, it is very difficult to kind of hire people. That was their problem statement. And even if they are able to hire, it is very difficult to kind of train all of them properly. So we kind of did the entire training within a week's time. They gave us close to 180 documents, which included their presentations, the Word files, their plan document, PDFs. Everything was very unstructured. But thankfully, we have built a strong model that kind of creates all these unstructured data into a very structured kind of an outcome, which is understandable by our models. And so we are able to convert that into a model training document and then convert that easily into prompts. So this is an inbound use case in which, we're calling to kind of check about open enrollment, about their plans. So the AI agent kind of gives out all the information about the plans and everything. We've also integrated this with Monday.com because that is the ticketing tool that our clients were typically using. So in certain scenarios, when the AI agent is not able to handle that, it kind of creates a ticket, takes information and creates a ticket and says that somebody will reach out to you. In event where the customer actually wants to speak to a human agent, or they figure out that this is an AI agent, funny enough, a lot of time they are actually not able to figure out it is an AI agent. But if they are able to figure out and they say, okay, I want to speak to a human, then we transfer to a human with a context transfer. We actually kind of integrated with their telephony service as well. They use, for a CCaaS platform, they use Five9. So we are actually integrated with Five9. So whenever a call is transferred, it actually transfers with the context. So the agent, whenever they pick up the call, they are actually able to understand how much call has been done, what all information is done, and they can pick up the call like that. So yeah, that's just an overview of how it is. Let me just quickly show you that once we configure all of this, we kind of go into the campaign management section, which is our agent studio where all the magic kind of happens. This is the open enrollment that I kind of built just for this video. For this one specifically, we are using OpenAI. And for the prompt that we have already figured out, there are multiple prompts, so it is very easy, scalable. So our different teams are responsible for prompt creation, and then different teams are responsible for campaign building. We create prompts for you, or you can create it yourself, and you just have to select the prompt from here. You select the type of campaign, it is inbound, and the telephony that we have created, we selected the telephony, the initial message, thank you for calling, ABC CV benefits, assistance line. My name is Jenny. The name of the AI agent is Jenny. This is the inbound number we kind of configured over here, and the name is Jenny. Now, this can be also configured at the prompt level, so you don't have to put it over here. But if you have not put it in the prompt level, this is just an easy way for you to change agent name very easily. Now, the analysis section is prompt summary. Then the prompt summary for this particular campaign that we have created is selected over here. Demo report. This is the name of the report. Just built it for this, but then there is an actual report that kind of builds it. And additional analytics, like I told you, the 100% QA and everything that we kind of built. Going ahead, the tools and integrations. If there are different tools, obviously we need transcriber and voice. These are the voice that we are currently using. We're using Rhyme for this particular use case. A certain kind of voice was required, so we are using that. And then, as I said, we have integrated with Monday. So this is the tools that we kind of define, and we are integrated with Monday. For this, we are keeping the recordings on, but we have an option to kind of switch it off. Live transfer for this one, for this demo, I'm not doing any live transfer, but we can do a blind and warm transfer both. A blind would be a straight blind transfer. A warm is usually a three-way call transfer that kind of happens. DNC, if you want a particular number to never be dialed or never connect to you, you can do a comma separated DNC, so the system will automatically disconnect that call. Sometimes we know certain numbers should not be received, so just for that. So retention policy, we can actually define how many days or we want to retain the logs and recordings to. Even if you are putting the recordings as no, you can also delete all the logs automatically. So you can define the number of days over here and the logs will completely be disconnected. We cater to a lot of healthcare and legal customers, so highly regulated industries. They actually want zero data retention, so we kind of just do it for getting the outcome as required. Once we push the outcome and everything into their system, we kind of delete it completely. An auto hangs up IVR is not specific to this one. It is about outbound use case. I'll let you know about it when we go through an outbound use case. Right. So this is the campaign that has already been set up. I've already kind of initiated that. Let me just now go back to it. All right. So now let me, like I told you, this quick overview of the overall campaign, because this is the first time that we are doing it. This is how this is built. Very easy to do. Obviously, I'm sure all of you know prompt engineering, so I don't have to go to the in-depth of prompt engineering. Obviously, we have a prompt engineering team and they are able to create some good prompt to make it sound more natural and effective. But I'm sure you guys have your own tricks, so I'll leave it to that. And so that is how we create prompts based on our model that gives us a very structured training document. Now, so let's experience. It's time to experience the AI agent that we just kind of configured, or we just saw. Let me just call the AI agent directly, and then we can kind of experience that.
Thank you for calling ABC's CV Benefit Assistance line. My name is Jenny. This call is recorded for training and quality purposes. May I have your full name, please?
My name is David Smith.
And your callback number, please?
My callback number is 123-123-1234.
Thank you. How may I help you today, David?
Well, I actually got an email stating that I have to complete the open enrollment. I've not done it yet. I was just trying to figure out what are the benefits on my plans, if there is any other plans that I can go through. So just trying to evaluate all of that.
Thanks for letting me know. To help guide you with the right information, can you please tell me which county you live in? This will help me confirm your benefits, eligibility, and available plans.
I live in the New York City.
Great, thanks for sharing that. Since you live in New York City, you're automatically eligible for the base healthcare plan, which covers preventive care only, and you also get CV card benefits to help with medical expenses. Now, could you tell me how many hours per week you usually work? This will help me see if you're also eligible for the advanced benefits plan, which provides more coverage than the base plan.
Okay, so I work around 40 hours a week.
Thanks, David. Since you work about 40 hours per week, you do meet the eligibility for the advanced benefits plan, which is a more comprehensive coverage. To enroll in the advanced benefits, you'll need to complete the election form during open enrollment. This is likely what the email was about. If you don't complete the enrollment, you'll remain in the base.
Can you tell me a little bit more about the CV card that you were just mentioning? I'm a little confused about the CV card. What does the card do?
Absolutely. I think you might mean the CV card. So, just to clarify, the CV card is a MasterCard that's provided to eligible employee in New York City and a few surrounding counties. It's funded by your employer, and each month, money is added to your CV card base on how many hours you work. You can use these funds for things like medical expenses, dental or vision care, prescriptions, transit, parking, or even work-related cell phone bills, up to certain limits for each category.
And can I, sorry to interrupt, but can I use it for my personal telephone bills as well?
No problem. That's a good question. So, you can use your CV card for your cell phone bills, but only if you set aside funds for that expense during your open enrollment period. If you didn't choose to allocate any funds for cell phone bills when enrolling, Your money will automatically go to medical expenses instead and won't be available for phone bills.
Okay.
Have you already completed your open enrollment and made those allocations, or are you still in process?
No, I'm still evaluating. I've not done the open enrollment yet. How do I actually do that?
Sure, no worries. To start your open enrollment, you'll need to log into your member portal. The website for that is members.callbotics.ai. Once you're on the website, look for the register new user option. It's right below where you normally enter a password in small blueprint. Go ahead and click on register new user. Let me know when you see that, and I'll walk you through the next step.
Yeah, I see that, absolutely. I clicked on it. What now?
Great. Now you'll see a screen asking for your email or phone number to generate a verification code. Please enter your email or phone number there, and then wait a moment. You should receive a code. Let me know once you get that code.
Let me put my cell phone number. I did that.
Of course. Go ahead and enter your... Perfect. You should be receiving a verification code by text message. Once you get that code, just enter it on the website. Let me know when you've entered the code, and I'll guide you through the next step.
I actually did not receive the code. I entered my cell phone number, but I did not receive the code.
Sometimes there can be a little delay. Could you double check to make sure your phone number was entered correctly and that you have good signal? If everything looks okay, would you like to try resetting the code once more? Let me know if you see a resend code option on that page.
Yeah, you know what? I just received the code. That's great. Let me just put that code.
Awesome. Glad it came through. Go ahead and enter the code, and once you've done that, let me know, then I'll guide you to what's next.
Yeah, I think it's done.
Perfect. Now you should see a screen asking for some additional details, usually your email address and the last 4 digits of your social security number for verification. Please enter those,
Why
and
do I
let me
need to
know
put
when you're
my
ready for the
social
next.
security number over there?
That's a really good question. Your social security number is used here just to verify your identity and ensure that only you can access your personal benefits information. Only the last 4 digits are needed at this step, not the full number. This helps keep your account information secure. Does that help explain it a bit? Let me know if you're comfortable proceeding or if you have any other concerns.
No, I think that's okay. I think I'm facing some technical problem with this particular login and everything. Would you kind of maybe get me in touch with the tech support team, or let the tech support me call me back or something of that sort?
Absolutely, I can help with that. Let me just collect a few details, and I'll create a ticket so the technical team can look into it and reach out to you if needed. Can I confirm your date of birth, please?
Yeah, it's 25th Jan 1994.
Thank you. Could you please confirm the last 4 digits of your social security number as well?
Yeah, that's 4451.
Thanks. And just double check, your full name is David Smith and your callback number is 123-123-1234. Is that correct?
Yeah, absolutely.
Great. And just one last thing. Can you briefly describe the technical problem you're facing? For example, are you seeing an error message, or is the website not responding after you enter your details?
No, like I said, I was doing fine. I logged into it, but I think it is not going to the next step. It is throwing me a 404 error.
Thank you for explaining that. So you were able to log in, but when you try to move to the next step, you're seeing a 404 error. I'll include this information when creating your tech support ticket. The technical team will review your case and reach out if they need anything further. Is there anything else I can help you with today regarding your benefits or the portal?
No, I think that's about it. That kind of that is what I needed for today.
All right. Was the information I provided today helpful?
Yeah, it was. Thanks so much.
You're very welcome. You have a wonderful day ahead. Bye.
All right, that was the call, right? So pretty intensive. What I did was there were 3 stages to the call. One was Mammon asking what questions. It verified which county I am in. Based on that, it provided information. There are different information for different counties. Now, based on that information, I kind of it checked if you've done the open enrollment. When I said no, then it kind of navigated me to the website. Once I was on the website, it kind of gave me the steps. I was able to log in, but if you're not able to log in, then I obviously, because I wanted you to create a ticket, I actually asked it to kind of, I'm facing some technical difficulty. And that is when it created a monday.com ticket. So let's see if how the outcome kind of looks like. Let me show you the configuration that we did with Monday. So this is monday.com and this is my board where all the tickets are kind of being created. This is actually the login of the client. This is not the login of the client. The client kind of manages all the tickets from a login like this. And here is our ticket where it was created. These are the details that I gave it to the bot. All right, so here we go to the report logs, and this is how the output could kind of look at. We by default kind of, maintain the sentiment of each of the calls. So this is all positive sentiment because everything is okay. When we kind of click on this is how it shows. It will show you the actual recording of the call, which can be played over here. This shows all the details about the call and the overall, connection, third-party connection, and everything. This is the summary. This is the summary of the call and the actual call transcript. We can go through line by line call transcripts, and here is the QA report that I told about. So basically, whatever, this is the QA where, like I told you, whatever quality form you kind of set up for each of the call, it will show you as percentage. Like over, you can see this showed as a 95% call. Yeah, so this is overall how we kind of do it. Overall, just to share a few stats with you, when we went live with this, I think the first week, the AI was able to handle around 30% of the calls straight out the bat. I think first or second day, and then I think we kind of tweaked few things where we did not need the transfers, few things where the answers could have been more crisp. We kind of did that, and I think within 1.5 weeks we were able to kind of solve around 75% of the cases that AI was actually solving, and AI did not have to transfer it. For the other 25%, we were actually transferring to human agents, or we were creating a ticket where a second call is required. So this was like one of our most successful use cases, in which because AI was handling like 75% of the cases. And once this entire training was done, now whatever the volume comes in, you just have to configure it, give it the concurrency line that they are expecting, and it just starts. So that's all from my side for today's video. I'll keep coming back to you with new, latest, different kind of use cases from different industries each time. Hope you like all our implementations and outcome of our voice AI agent. This is me, AB, signing off from Callbotics for today. Take care. Bye-bye.